Welcome to this technical guide on the Neato Robot. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Neato Robot's laser tower isn't working properly, it can lead to navigation issues, causing your robot to miss spots or bump into obstacles. This problem can worsen over time, resulting in more extensive damage if not addressed promptly. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a plastic prying tool, and some replacement screws if necessary. First, ensure your robot is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of your Neato Robot. Take your time and keep the screws in a safe place. Once the panel is off, locate the laser tower. It will be at the front of the unit, usually secured with additional screws. Gently detach any cables connected to the laser tower, being cautious not to pull on them too hard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the cables, unscrew the laser tower and lift it out carefully. Install the new laser tower by reversing the removal steps. Screw it in securely, ensuring it's aligned correctly, and reconnect the cables, making sure they are snug but not overly tight. Once everything is reassembled, replace the back panel of the robot and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Now, power on your Neato Robot and test the laser tower to ensure it is functioning correctly. If it navigates smoothly, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the laser tower and surrounding areas to avoid dust buildup. Additionally, store your robot in a clean, dry environment when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.